everyone. In our previous video, we have discussed Maxwell right hand thumb rule. And I told you, according to Maxwell right hand thumb rule, you have to keep your thumb in the direction of current and then in which direction your fingers encircle, that will be the direction of magnetic field lines. So in your NCERT book, there is a problem given. A current through a horizontal power line flows in east to west direction. So what you will do? You have to keep your thumb in the direction of east to west. Question is, what is the direction of magnetic field at a point directly below it and at a point directly above it? कि जो ये वायर है इसके नीचे एक पॉइंट है और इसके ऊपर एक पॉइंट है, तो वहाँ पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की जो डायरेक्शन है वो क्या होगी? तो देखिए, अगर आप अपना इफ़ यू कीप योर थंब फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, this pen is showing you to the direction of east to west, and if you encircle, then at the below point the direction is north to south, and if you come above, then the direction is south to north. So what you have to do, you just keep your thumb in the direction of current and your finger will tell you about the direction of magnetic field. Second is magnetic field due to current in a circular loop. In our previous video, we have discussed when current is flowing in a straight conductor. So you have learned that the magnetic field lines represent itself in a concentric circles. Now we are discussing about when magnetic field due to current in a circular coil. So you have taken a circular coil and you have passed electric current through it. You all are familiar that electricity produces magnetic effect, and this is a very broad branch of physics, that is electromagnetism. So when current is passed through a circular loop, then you have seen here we have considered 2 points. One point above current in the loop into the paper and current in the loop out of the plane. So you can see here that the magnetic field lines are in the form of concentric circles. Add the current in the loop into the paper and the current in the loop out of plane. But in the center, you can see the magnetic field lines seems to be straight. And as I told you, when you move away from the magnetic field, the concentric circles becomes bigger and bigger. Why the concentric circles gets bigger and bigger? Because when we move away from the magnetic field gets weaker and weaker. So the properties of magnetic field lines. First, the magnetic field lines are near circular at the point where the current enters or leaves the cardboard. Second, within the space enclosed by the coil, the field lines are in same direction. Third, near the center of the coil, the magnetic field lines are almost parallel to each other. Thus, magnetic field near the center of the coil may be considered uniform. At the center of the coil, the plane of magnetic field lines is at right angle to the plane of the coil. If there is a circular coil having n turns, the magnetic field is n times as large as that produced by a single turn, because the magnetic field lines are in the same direction, so they will get add up. As the current in each turn has the same direction and the field due to each turn add up. Thank you.